Skyjems.ca has Canada's largest selection of fine quality colored gemstones. Hi everyone, my name's David Sod. Thank you all so much for joining me so I can show you and tell you a little bit about this absolutely stunning lot of pairs. There's 10 pairs in total. I've put these together as a lot that is fantastic for, beginner jewelers, collectors, hobbyists. Now, if you're looking at this lot on our website, first thing you saw was that there's no wholesale discount on these. These are really priced to, to sell, to help you out as a beginner, as a hobbyist, add something to your collection, add something to, your stable of what it is you're making. Let's just take a look at the lot. So the first pair is an absolutely stunning pair of 6mm cushion cut Heliodor. Heliodor, if you don't already know, is yellow beryl. It's the cousin of Aquamarine. It's the yellow cousin of Aquamarine or emerald or morganite. And absolutely a stunning stone, exceptionally bright. And these set up beautifully. They make incredible earrings. I've put them beside aqua in rings. They're really stunning, bright stones, either as earrings or as accent stones. You're just going to love these. Pair number 2, these beautiful 7x5mm oval Cabochon Iolite. These are stunning gems. They're going to set up lovely. They'll look most beautiful in a bezel set. If you're still doing hand bezels, these are going to be a little bit difficult for you, but not impossible at all. If you're going out, buying findings are a little bit more advanced, using the Fordham to set it. With the bezels, you can just buy these off the shelf and off you go. Absolutely beautiful stones, make gorgeous earrings. Beautiful for accent stones as well, either in a ring or a pendant. Pair number 3, 5mm square Almandine Garnet. These are, I have a couple of pairs of garnets in here. These are beautiful, kind of the traditional maroon red, a little orangey red garnet that we see. Almandine garnet, kind of a classic. Nice to have, nice to go back to, January birthstone. Always something that has at least a little bit of demand. Pair number 4, 4mm square aqua. Again, gorgeous stones. These work well. I've actually used these in a bracelet, in a line bracelet, a whole bunch of these 4mm aquas. They're really gorgeous. They're worth spending the money on. They're worth spending the gold on. Put them into, either prong set or bezel set earrings. Absolutely stunning as accent stones. These are just great gems. They're going to set up beautifully. Pair number 5, 6x4mm emerald cut citrine, a classic. Everybody loves citrine. Nice yellow color to them. It's a little bit of a desaturated yellow, so it's a bit of a delicate color. Very, very beautiful. Again, they're going to set up beautifully, make beautiful jewelry with them. Next up, this gorgeous pair of 7x5mm emerald cut tourmaline. Beautiful pink tourmaline. I mean, this is tourmaline is truly an ancient gem. They've been mining it in Sri Lanka for almost 30,000 years. A lot of people will say, "Oh, did you know people used to believe that red tourmaline was ruby and green tourmaline was emerald?" And no, they didn't. There were places in the world that they believed that. If you were in Sri Lanka, they knew very well for a very long time. Anybody cutting tourmaline and cutting emerald, or cutting tourmaline and cutting sapphire, would understand very well that there is a very different gem. The cutters and the miners have known for thousands, tens of thousands of years that it is not the same. Next up, pair number 8, another pair of citrine 8x6 ovals. Again, lovely yellow color to them, beautiful spring color. Set them up, if you throw them in a pair of prong settings, earrings, you're really not in for much, and you have a beautiful pair of earrings, either as a gift or to resell. Pair number 9, rectangular lapis. Lapis is one of the most ancient gems. Always look great. I particularly like lapis for gentlemen's jewelry, for cufflinks. Of course, it looks beautiful on women. I love seeing, you can do some really interesting things with totem pendants and totem necklaces. We have these nice long pieces because you have a lot of material to work with. And finally, pair number 10, the 10th pair, the one you've been waiting for. 9x7 oval rainbow moonstone. This is not the best blue rainbow moonstone that you've ever seen in your life. Rainbow moonstone prices in the past 22 years that I've been doing business have gone up probably 300 or 400 times. 22 years ago, what you see now for hundreds of dollars of carat used to be, I would have been able to give you a pair of those in a lot like this 20 years ago, because they were selling for, you know, a few dollars, $5, $8, $10 a carat. And now, you know, you see them at, you know, several $100s per carat. I've even seen nice stones pushing up to thousands. So altogether, we have 10 beautiful pairs, 20 stones. These are great for, you know, beginner jewelers, collectors. If this is a gift, fantastic gift piece. So, you know, go ahead, buy them right off the site. As I said, no wholesale discount on these. They are priced very fairly from the get-go. Thank you all so much for watching. Have yourself a great day, and don't forget to tell your friends about skygems.ca. Bye for now.